For the past decade, our cities have been rapidly growing, but as growth in industry and transportation systems spread across the country, air pollution have increased dramatically as well, and it is continually aggravated by the use of low-quality fuel, inefficient methods of energy production, poor condition of vehicles, and most apparently, traffic congestion. There are over 300,000 vehicles moving through EDSA daily at an average snail pace of 20 kilometers per hour. Multiply these with the number of hours these vehicles stay on the road and you have a perfect formula for an environmental disaster. According to the DENR, the total suspended particulates in the second semester of 2010 was placed at a national average of 139 micrograms of pollutants per cubic meter. This is 49% higher than the standard 90 micrograms. The dirtiest air quality is found at EDSA, which recorded a staggering 283 micrograms per cubic meter. According to the World Bank's 2000 annual review, more than 4,000 Filipinos die each year because of air pollution in Manila alone. This mortality figure is the third highest for a city in the East Asian region. Beside the deaths, 90,000 Filipinos in Manila also suffered from severe chronic bronchitis in 2002, and this data has been steadily increasing over the years. In March 1999, the British medical journal quoted Dr. Seldrin, a pediatrician at the Makati Medical Center, who said, "About 90% of my patients have respiratory illness, and we're seeing babies as young as 2 months suffering from asthma." 20 years ago, this was unheard of. The verdict is out, and we have known it all along. Millions of residents in Cebu, Davao, Baguio, Iloilo, Manila, and all other cities in the Philippines breathe dirty air every day of the year. Written in the World Health Organization website, it says, "There is consistent evidence that exposure to indoor air pollution can lead to acute lower respiratory infections in children under 5 and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and lung cancer in adults." If much needed air is polluted outdoors and even more polluted indoors, where do we run then? If air is life, how do we make sure we get the best quality breathing air? Fortunately, we have the solution.
This is Ozein. A high-efficiency particulate air filter, or HEPA filter, that traps microscopic airborne particles. These state-of-the-art filters can trap dust mites, pollen, mold spores, and other allergens as small as 0.3 microns.
Money changer. Dati nagne-nebulizer. Alam naman natin pag money changer, iba't ibang currency ang hawak nito. And then napakaliit lang ng office niya. Tapos nagbibilang siya ng pera, nagne-nebulizer siya talaga. Pero nung ni-introduce namin, ni Cecil, yung product, alam nyo, nangyari, hindi na siya gumagamit ng nebulizer.
An activated carbon filter that efficiently absorbs the toughest of odors including cigarette smoke, car fumes, cooking, and chemical vapors.
Lahat talaga, pati insenso ng pare, ginamit ko na. Lahat ng dumarating sa loob ng shop, hindi ko na-expect na maging maganda rin ang feedback para sa kanila. Ang binabanggit ko, anong amoy? Wala na yung amoy ng aso mo, bakit nawala na ba sila lahat? Hindi. Nandiyan pa rin sila nasa ilalim ng papag. Pero yung Ozein, talagang isang pindot mo lang, wala na talaga yung amoy ng buong bahay mo.
And an ultraviolet lamp that eliminates viruses and bacteria present in the air. Besides being an outstanding air purifier, Ozein has another very special function. Ozone also functions as an ozone generator.
Ozone is a form of elemental oxygen. In the troposphere, it is one of the greenhouse gases that make Earth habitable for life. It purifies the air that we breathe by reacting with noxious compounds present in our atmosphere. The molecule of ozone contains 3 oxygen atoms. It is very reactive and readily reacts with other substances. As one of Earth's gases, it has demonstrated a powerful purifying capability, as well as a powerful oxidizing agent. It is one of nature's proven and environment-friendly solutions to pollution. In nature, ozone is produced by the rays of the sun, the rushing of waters, and through lightning. The fresh air scent following a storm reveals the presence of Earth's master purifier. This same ozone that is only found in nature before is now available in homes through Ozein. Ozone uses its extra oxygen atom to combine with other substances, whether it is a contaminant, virus, or germ, through a powerful oxidation process. This free atom aggressively pursues any other contaminant with which it could combine. Ozone destroys algae, viruses, bacteria, and fungi on contact, and it breaks down harmful chemicals into simpler, less damaging molecules. It kills harmful microorganisms by rupturing their cell walls. Note: healthy human cells are not damaged because of their self-protective mechanisms. Because of its natural oxidizing and purifying properties, many countries in Europe and Asia have been using ozone to solve the problem of food contamination. Ozein can effectively remove harmful chemicals present in our food system. Let us look at some demonstrations. Put a few pieces of fresh chicken into the water. After 20 minutes, a layer of foam will form in the surface of the water. This will produce a bad odor when burned, but will not completely melt. This means that there are other chemicals other than fat present in the foam. These are what we consume into our bodies on a regular basis. This demo shows that ozone can remove unwanted chemicals from the meat with ozonation. Ozone will not only remove pesticides, herbicides, and germicides in fruits and vegetables, it can also preserve the freshness of our produce. Look at the remarkable difference after only 15 minutes of ozonation. This now shows how ozone can remove most unneeded substances from what we drink. As an oxidizer, ozone is 150 times more powerful than chlorine and 3,500 times faster at killing bacteria and other microbes. It is an effective disinfectant and does not leave toxic byproducts. Ozonation of water does not add any chemicals. Ozone is 100% oxygen. That is all it is adding to the water. Compared to other chemicals being used in our homes, ozone is the best and safest natural alternative today. You can use Ozein for face washing, sanitizing utensils, removing foul odors from cabinets and refrigerators. It can also be used to sanitize and purify drinking water. Year after year, scientists and ozone specialists are discovering new uses for this powerful alternative. Thousands of people are enjoying the benefits of Ozein.
Kahit kanino, lahat na ng tao na pwede namin makausap namin na kailangan. So actually, lahat naman tayo kailangan ng Ozein. So, hindi ko pwedeng palampasin yung pagkakabala, hindi pwede rin kahit kanino.
Kasi dito sa Ozein, hindi ako mapapahiya eh. Napakaganda ng produkto.
Ako nga, sa totoo lang ah. Wala man akong rep eh. Pero Ozein meron ako.